Hey guys, today I am preparing homemade ice cream using eggs. The ingredients are sugar, milk, and eggs. First, I will separate the egg yolk and the egg white in separate bowls. Here is the egg white and the 3 egg yolks. I'll transfer the egg whites in a bigger dish. I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3/4 cups of milk in the egg yolks and whisk. After whisking well, I'll set aside. And in a cooking pot, I'll add milk as it cooks, then add the yolk. Milk and sugar mixture in it and continue whisking. After it has boiled and wants to pour, I will remove it and set aside. In an egg white bowl, add a pinch of salt and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well until it combines, then put in a steam bath. It's good to go. I will further beat until the texture is somehow heavy using a hand mixture. I like its consistency. In the first mixture, we'll add a tablespoon of vanilla essence and food color and mix nicely. Then add to the egg white and mix so well. I will beat again for 2 minutes. Then we'll add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and beat for 3 minutes. We'll transfer it in this dish and store in the freezer overnight. This is the next morning. Wow, it came out so well. We'll scoop. Doesn't it look amazing? You should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.